but to beat 'em. Roger Ramjet, he's our man, hero of our nation. For his adventures, just be sure and stay tuned to this station. So come and join us, all you kids, for lots of fun and laughter, as Roger Ramjet and his men get all the crooks they're after. Roger Ramjet, he's our man, hero of our nation. For his adventures, just be sure and stay tuned to this station.
This insurgent episode takes us south once more to the tiny Latin American republic of San Domino. Lovely San Domino. Symbol of peace and tranquility in a turbulent world. For the calm is broken only by an occasional revolution. An infrequent but orderly student demonstration. A gay, festive holiday. Or merely a lovely senorita out for an afternoon stroll.
Ay, querida!
Yeah. This thriving metropolis is nestled at the foot of Mount Cacahuates, an extinct volcano. That volcano is extinct, isn't it?
Oh, sure, it's extinct.
Then what's all that smoke?
Oh, that's just smoke. Ay, caramba! Cacahuates is erupting. Run for your life.
The crisis was brought to the attention of San Domino's Presidente, General Pancho La Panza, who immediately conferred with his cabinet.
Senor Cabinet, it's a bad scene. I better call the United States for help. It's all right, it's all right.
And later that day at American Eagle headquarters,
Ramjet, a volcano is threatening to destroy the capital of San Domino. They've asked for foreign aid, so I'm sending them you.
Thank you, General, but what shall I do?
You may have to help them evacuate.
meanwhile, inside Mount Cacahuates, yes, I said inside that raging volcano, was the cause of it all. You think it was molten lava? Oh, not on your tacos.
Boy, this idea is working pretty good, I think so.
Shut up and keep stirring.
Yes, muchachos y muchachas, the volcano was filled with enchiladas. It was beef enchilada and his brother chicken, those two desperate desperados.
It's a smart trick if I say so myself.
See, we make the great big pot of chili in a mountain. That makes the smoke, huh?
And we got 50 guys playing bongos. That makes the rumble. Put them together, they spell mucho dinero for us.
So that was the plot. By making the people think the volcano was about to erupt, the enchiladas hoped that everyone would leave the city. And then, do you know what they planned to do?
Have lunch?
No, you idiot. Then we will move in with our band of bandidos and take over the whole government. Did you heard me?
I heard you.
Shut up.
But the bandits had reckoned without the all-American good guy and devil-may-care flying fool, Roger Ramjet.
Senor Presidente, I'm here at last.
Did you brought us some money?
No, just me.
Oh, that's wonderful. Right, Senor Cabinet? Close the door.
It's all right.
It's all right.
And so Roger decided to fly over the volcano to see just how dangerous the situation was. Imagine his surprise when he found, instead of molten lava...
Enchiladas, eh? So that's their game, huh? Okay, General, here's where I bail out. I'll give those crooks an eruption they weren't counting on.
But the best-laid plans of men and heroes often go astray. For a sudden gust of wind caught Ramjet's parachute, and he landed...
Right in the middle of the chili.
Really hot stuff, eh, Ramjet?
You enchiladas are pretty saucy, but now you're going to cool it.
And taking a proton energy pill, giving him the strength of you-know-what for you-know-how long. So, peace and quiet returned once more to lovely San Domino, thanks to the heroic efforts of that super gringo, Roger Ramjet.
When Ramjet takes a proton pill, the crooks begin to worry. They can't escape their awful fate from proton's mighty fury. Roger Ramjet, he's our man, hero of our nation. For his adventures, just be sure and stay tuned to this station. So come and join us, all you kids, for lots of fun and laughter, as Roger Ramjet and his men get all the crooks they're after. Roger Ramjet, he's our man, hero of our nation. For adventures, just be sure and stay tuned to this